So we need to use the substitution method to solve this linear equation. Let's start off by calling this equation 1 and equation 2 to give us our system. Let's go ahead and isolate x in equation 1. So x minus 3y equals 5. To isolate for x, we're going to move the minus 3y over to give us x equals 5 plus 3y. Now that we have this, we can plug it back into equation 2. So sub x equals 5 plus 3y into 2. Equation 2 is 7x plus 2y equals 12. Instead of x, I'm going to write 5 plus 3y. 7 times 5 plus 3y plus 2y equals 12. And now that my entire equation is in terms of y, I can actually solve for y. So I'm going to start by opening up this bracket by multiplying all the terms inside by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 3 is 21 times y plus 2y equals 12. Now I can add my like terms. 35 plus 23y equals 12. 23y equals 12 minus 35. 23y equals minus 23. So y equals minus 1. Now that I have y, I can plug that back into equation 1. So let's sub y equals minus 1 into 1. X minus 3y equals 5. Instead of y, I'm going to plug in negative 1 to give me x. Minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, so x plus 3 equals 5. X equals 5 minus 3, therefore x equals 2.